Let me walk you through the installation process. Step by step, first locate and remove the screws our technician is indicating in the demonstration. Keep them handy. You will need these again later. Next, carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the existing turn signal. Gently wiggle the old unit free once the connection is released. Now take your new turn signal assembly and position it exactly where the previous one was mounted. Make sure it sits flush against the vehicle surface before proceeding. Reconnect the wiring harness until you hear a click. Then securely fasten those screws we saved earlier. Tighten them until snug, but do not over-torque. Simply repeat this identical process for the opposite side, and you are all set. Your upgraded turn signals are now ready for road use.